If Lucidchart is showing a connection error, don't worry. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to your diagram without wasting time. We'll cover the most common causes, including internet problems, browser issues, extensions, and even WebGL settings that can interfere with Lucidchart loading properly. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection and make sure the problem isn't coming from your network. A weak or unstable connection can easily cause Lucidchart to lose communication with its servers. Refresh the page and see if it reconnects. If that doesn't help, disconnect from any VPN you may be using. VPNs can sometimes block or slow down access to Lucidchart, especially if the service thinks the connection is suspicious or restricted. After turning off the VPN, reload Lucidchart and test again. If the error is still there, try switching networks. For example, move from office Wi-Fi to home Wi-Fi or test your device using a mobile hotspot. This is a great way to find out whether the issue is caused by your current network, firewall rules, or a router setting that's interfering with Lucidchart. If it works on a different network, then you know the problem is local to the original connection. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can break the way Lucidchart loads. If you're using Google Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on the Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. When the Clear Browsing Data window is opened, select Cached Images and Files, and also choose Cookies and Other Site Data. Then click Clear Data. After that, fully restart your browser instead of just closing the tab. This gives you a clean session and often fixes stubborn connection issues immediately. If you still see the connection error, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers, and other third-party add-ons can interfere with Lucidchart scripts and prevent the app from connecting correctly. Open your browser's extension manager and begin disabling extensions one by one. After turning one off, go back to Lucidchart and refresh the page to see if the issue is gone. This method helps you identify exactly which extension is causing the conflict. If you find the one that's responsible, keep it disabled for Lucidchart or add the site to its allowed list. Now let's look at the WebGL setting. In some cases, Lucidchart may run into rendering problems or connection-related glitches because of graphics acceleration or WebGL conflicts. Open your Lucidchart document, then go to View and look for rendering, or check the related settings in your account or app preferences. Toggle WebGL on or off depending on the current setting and then reload the document. If your browser or graphics hardware is having trouble with WebGL, changing this setting can often solve the issue right away. If none of those steps worked yet, go back and test them in order because the cause is often something small like a cached login session, a blocked extension, or a network restriction. The key is to isolate the problem one layer at a time so you can find the exact reason Lucidchart isn't connecting properly. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for the Lucidchart connection error. Start with your internet and VPN, clear your cache and cookies, disable problematic extensions, and toggle WebGL if needed. One of those steps usually gets Lucidchart working again. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.